This program is a triangle type identifier. First, we ask the user to enter three side lengths. If all three sides are equal, it's an equilateral triangle. If only two sides are equal, then it's an isosceles triangle. If all three sides are different, it's a Salin triangle. Else, if the sides do not match any rule, it prints not a valid triangle. If isosceles 2 is the same, if all the same, it's equilateral. Then, if all are different, then it's a Salin